Hello guys and gals, and welcome to the fourth part of the How to Make a Game in UE4 series. And in this video we're gonna make some jump functionality for a sphere. So let's open up a player sphere. So we're gonna need another input action called jump with spacebar. So we're gonna go to edit, project settings, scroll down and go to input, action mappings. I just made one for testing, remove it. So press the little plus button, call this one jump, and search for spacebar, and yeah, just set it to spacebar and close it. Open up the player sphere. Now when you're going to right click and search for jump, don't click on this one. Scroll down and find the action event for jump. So now we have got the action event now. So drag out and write add impulse, and let me just delete that. Yeah, add impulse, and let's just split the spin again, it's more easier. And add another variable called jump impulse, and let's compile. Oh yeah, actually you have to drag out the mesh, this one, and hook it into this because it wants actually sorry, that's the wrong one. Right, drag out from mesh and now type add impulse physics. Just I'm gonna explain what happened there. If you right click and add impulse, there's one for character movement, but this is a pawn, so like there's no character movement in this one. And that's it, and because it's showing up in our search results because I have unchecked context sensitive. So if I check this up, there is gonna be nothing that you can't, like everything is here that's gonna be valid. There's nothing here that's gonna be invalid. So mostly I keep this checked on, but like sometimes when I have to find some random stuff, I check it out. I check it up. So now we're gonna split the spin and drag out jump impulse, get it, and plug this into Z. And oh, I wrote the wrong spelling actually. Jump impulse. Yeah. So now we're gonna set this to 50,000, and that should be fine. But now when you press play, if you press space, you see that your jump's gonna work. But now if you spam space, you're gonna see that it keeps jumping even though you're in the air. So to fix that, we're gonna have to make a variable which is called a boolean. Let's just name this is jumping. A boolean is a variable that can contain two values, that is true or false. Just compile this and make sure the default value is checked off, that's false. So now we're gonna drag this out, and when we press spacebar, we're gonna set is jumping to true, so therefore we're jumping. And we're gonna make an if statement. If statement in blueprints is called a branch. So we're gonna branch it, and we're gonna get is jumping, and if is jumping is false, then only we're gonna jump. If it is true, like right here, we're gonna set it to true, so then we're not gonna be able to jump. So now you're gonna have to go to the mesh, and yeah, this one, simulate generate state events, mesh collision, and check this up. Yeah, simulation generates state events. Check this, compile this. So and now right click and add, search for event hit. Yeah, get the event hit out and drag is jumping out, set is jumping, and when we hit something like it's probably going to be the floor, we're going to set is jumping to false. So now if we press play, you can see that if I'm spamming space but I can only jump one time now. There's a lot of air control, we might want to deal with that. I'm going to deal with the air control in a later video because like that's going to be hard for right now. I'm going to finish this video right here for now, and please like and subscribe if it helped you, and I'll see you guys in the next video.